starting one technical podcast and meet my cutie Manya here. She's going to learn the basics of Python with me, and she's very good in Python now. She's understanding the concepts. So I'm very much interested to explain you as well so that you can even understand the basics of Python at very basic level for kids. And free of cost. We are not charging anything for this. Just one like and subscribe. You guys can do that one, right? Only we are asking to subscribe our channel, that's all. And we are here to teach you very basics, very clear understanding about the Python program. Right, Putu?
Yep.
Good job. Okay, then what we are going to learn today in our, you can see our screen, we have already shared the screen, what we are going to learn today. Manya, could you please tell me what we are going to learn today?
Today we are learning about strings.
Good. We are going to teach you what is string in Python. A string is one of the data type in Python. I will tell you the different data types as well, but very important data type. Yes, string. What is a string, Mania? When you tell string, what do you understand?
String means that it's telling the sequence of the character.
Wow, I love this. What is this sequence of characters, guys? Do you know that? Have you ever think about what is this sequence of characters? First of all, we'll talk later regarding this sequence. We wanted to talk about what is character, right? I think if you're in grade 1, might be knowing about letters, right? Your letters are the characters. Right, Manya?
Yeah.
You know how ABCD, right? As you can see, our program, we are writing here. We can write ABCD, right? These are the characters. The keyboard, you see, your keyboard, right? On that keyboard, whatever characters you guys see, everything is a character. Right?
Yes.
The buttons, whatever buttons you see on the keyboard, those are characters, right?
Yup.
Good. And you can see my screen. I've typed so many characters here. I have typed numbers, alphabets, and then after special characters as well. Right? These are called computer characters. And when these characters combines together, then they make a sequence of characters.
They give one big passage.
Of course, if this sequence of characters combines in a meaningful way, right, they make a word, right?
Yeah.
And when these meaningful words combine together, they make a big sentence. And these sentences are called a string. You get it? Like what we speak in real time. We are speaking to you. I just said. I'm saying what I'm talking about. We just said. What I'm talking about. What I'm talking about. Just write it. What I'm talking about. What is your name? What is this? This is having, like you see, this word, what is your name? These are having a meaningful word, right? These are the meaningful word. They have a specific meaning of it, right? That's why they are meaningful. But if I type a sequence of characters as below, does this one is having a meaning? No, right? But still they are sequence of characters. but they are not meaningful, right? They doesn't have any meaning.
Yeah.
Right, Manya?
Yeah.
So no use of this. But to understand the Python program, we have to understand, because we are going to write a meaningful sequence of characters.
Characters.
Right?
Yeah.
Now you understand. What is character, you guys understand, and sequence of characters also you guys understand better. Now, what I'm going to explain to you. We are going to learn data types of string data type in Python, and there is a way to represent these strings in Python. What is the first approach, beta? Manya, what is the first approach? We can use single quotes.
Single quotes. Yep.
What is that?
Single quotes.
We can use single quotes.
And
What
they're
is the
giving
second
the
approach we
meaning.
do?
They're giving the meaning also.
Of course they will. This is the syntax actually. Because while writing a program, there is a way where our Python interpreters just read these lines, syntaxes, and if doesn't match as per the protocols, it throws runtime error, compile time error. You get it? Yes. That's why we have to use as per the standards, as per the software specifications, the terms, right? That is what we are discussing here. The first we discussed about to represent a string we can use single quotes. Second one is, beta, what is the second one? Double quotes.
Double quote, yeah.
We can use these double quotes. Oh, what is happening? We can use these double quotes. What is the third option, beta?
The third option is we can do triple quotes. We could take 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. How much ever triple quotes you want.
Now, this is the third option which we can use to represent a string in Python is triple quotes.
Triple quotes, yeah.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, now Manya, I am going to write one sample program here to present the program using these three options. The first program which I am going to write here, I am going to write a simple write print in console. Okay, I'll use single quote here. My daughter name is Manya. Here I used single quotes. Print. The same thing I am going to print. I am going to type the same thing in double quotes.
It gives the copy and then the passage gives the same thing what it's written at the top part.
Now third option I am using is triple quotes. You see there is no compiler.
Yeah.
All these three line of code meaning is same. When we execute this program, all these three lines output will be, what will be beta?
Same.
Same. You just see, we are going to execute this program. How to execute the program, beta?
We can execute by writing manya.
Python. Manya space manya.py.
Yeah. Even
You can see here, this is the output of this program. You can see here, for this all these three lines, program output is same. My daughter name is Manya.
And there is also one shortcut. We could even press that upper arrow, and then it will give the same, and then you could enter it, and then it will give
Okay, what Mane is talking about, there is a shortcut to execute the program. What is that? Just what she is talking about. You are in a console terminal here, okay?
Yeah.
The Visual Studio terminal here. Just what you need to do, suppose you have typed the program first time and you executed the program first time, then second time if you want to execute the same program, just press the upper arrow. This line of execution, this line of code will come to you in front of you and just press enter. It will run the program. No need to type the complete command like Python mania.py. No need to write. You can press this one. It will come. Press it. You get it? Now, this is the basics of, this is how to use string literals to represent string. Right? Now, Mane, did you understand this? We are going to make a lot of videos on this string. Please, guys, you stay with us. Subscribe our channel. Subscribe our, like our videos. For sure, we are going to bring a lot of very interesting videos for you to learn free of cost. Okay? We are going to rock. Right, Bitu?
Yeah.
Okay. Now that's all. Thank you.